I didn't trust myself anymore. Not my decisions, not my feelings, not even what I knew deep down was right. And that was the real problem. I didn't trust myself anymore. After everything, I kept asking myself the same question. How did I allow that? How did I stay when something in me knew it didn't feel right? And the truth is, I didn't trust what I felt anymore. It wasn't that I didn't see the red flags. I did. I just kept overriding myself. Every time something felt off, I'd explain it away. Every time I felt unsettled, I minimized it. Until eventually, I stopped listening to me. Because when you're used to proving yourself in love, not being chosen feels familiar. And when something feels familiar, you mistake it for something real. It's not peace. It's a pattern. And I realized I wasn't broken. I just hadn't healed the part of me that didn't feel worthy of something better. So I stopped asking, do they like me? And I started asking, do I feel safe with myself here? And that's when trust started to come back. Not because everything around me changed, but but because I did. I started listening to myself again. I stopped overriding what I felt, and I chose differently. And everything changed when I did.